Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and or even liking and leaving a comment on this video if this is something that you enjoy watching. My name is Megan from Simply Megan Plans, and I am absolutely obsessed with all things happy planner, washi tape, pens, stickers, all of that. And I absolutely love making YouTube videos and all of the different ideas that I have and all the different spreads that I make. I love sharing it with y'all. So in this video, I am using finally the Planner Babe Happy Planner Girl stickers, and for some reason I never got my hands on these stickers, and I really don't know why. I think I was like really busy with work or something at that point. I really don't know. I have no excuse. But anyways, I've finally gotten my hands on it. I have the full like value pack sticker book, and then I also have the accessory pack that comes with the sticky notes and folds the opposite way. So there's a lot to choose from. I went ahead and whited out the full page first, and then I was able to, put that washi, sticker strip up at the top of all the different discs under the days of the week. And then, coming back from vacation from this past weekend, I know that I need to go grocery shopping on Monday. So I went ahead and put a shopping list on there. And for a little bit of added cuteness, I wanted to use these girls that have little dogs with them, and then have the just a girl and her dog sticker, and then I work hard so my dog can have a better life sticker. Like, it's just kind of cute. It doesn't exactly match with the Planner Babe stickers, but I thought it was cute. I don't know. And of course, once the week goes on and I start writing in my normal black pen and everything, it should kind of like be way more cohesive. So anyways, this is my catch-all planner, and by that I mean this is the one that I use the most, and it has a lot of different uses for me. It has different goals. I have shopping lists. I have all of my to-do lists. I have all of our plans, future and present plans, appointments. I, keep track of how much water I drink, or I keep track of my time of the month, all sorts of random stuff. So it's just the place that I go to the most. So in this spread, I really, this week, I don't have really anything going on other than my favorite show on Monday, and then payday on Friday, my husband working all day on Saturday, and a bill due on Sunday. Like, there's really not that much. So there's a lot of room to be creative, stick down a lot of stickers, and just kind of go crazy with all the stickers. Like, there's so much to choose from, and because it's like Planner Babe, I mean, that's me. So, and because I'm using it, I want to use all the stickers, So I'm strategically trying to figure out, the different layering and all of those things that I want to do so that I still have room to write, but also the perfect amount of stickers to put down so that I still am able to put in what is going on, if that makes sense. So I also use these sticker strips on Thursday through Saturday to kind of create, that washi effect, like I have been doing a lot and other people have been doing as well. And then this sticker that had the discs kind of as a border, I thought was really super cute. And then I put the I Heart stickers on the inside, and it, I feel like it looks really great. I feel like it kind of looks like it technically would, if it had come like that, so, or that it would come like that. And I think later on I end up filling in some of that white space in that sticker with more discs. So stay tuned maybe for that. Now, there's a few more that I'm going to be sticking down, and then I'm going to do something really fun at the bottom. I'm like really excited with what I do at the bottom. Then, of course, grouping in 3 or more, I put that other, like, it's the weekend sticker, or whatever that says there. And then something bound to happen on Saturday afternoon. So I put the hello today right there. Even though my husband is working all day on Saturday, that's probably going to be like my filming day or something like that. So I think I end up putting like planner session right there, something like that. And I like it, like the weeks that I don't have a full like to-do list, full box in the sidebar, I like to put kind of like a full box on one of the days of the week for kind of like a to-do list for the overall week, if that kind of makes sense. And then let's see, on Friday morning, I put that cute little girl with her pug, and then the I work hard so my dog has a better life beside it. Now, down here at the bottom, get ready. This is so cute. I am obsessed with how this turned out. There was a lot of like open space down at the bottom, and it was like, you know, super plain and boring. And I'm like, all right, let me try something. Let me like add a little pizzazz down there. So I honestly just started sticking down a few, and then I was going to cut them off of the border. But then once I started going and I added some to the top and to the bottom, I was like, oh, this is adorable. First of all, it looks like washi tape. Once I got all finished, it looks like it is Happy Planner disc washi tape. And I was in love with it. Like, I think it turned out so cute, and honestly it really wasn't that time consuming. I was using all the big ones, all these big stickers, and it took up the majority of the space. Like it wasn't all that time consuming, and it was fun to alternate the like position of the hearts and then the colors and all that. And then this other page has much, much, much smaller ones. So I put those in between the days of the week and the numbers of the week and grouped them in like 2 or 3. And those turned out really cute as well. Like, this sticker book has all of the things that we love as planner babes, you know, like all the planner supplies. It has discs, it has planners, it has washi and pens and all of that. Like, it's just adorable. So I wanted it to be an explosion of color, an explosion of all the planner supplies. So that's exactly what I did. And I was having such a difficult time deciding which ones could make the cut, like which stickers I could not use. So, and then ones that I'm like, oh, I want to use them, but I'll use them next time, you know, kind of thing. So I'm probably going to use, I'm probably going to make a page soon that's just like a Planner Babe page, I guess. I don't know. I really haven't like completely planned it through, but I'm going to see how it turns out. But for the last few little touches, I'm going to put down a few more stickers to fill in some space. And then, of course, you know, it's like the stickers that I cannot live without. Like, I definitely want to use them. And I didn't put down any of these on this page, like all these tiny little planners and the I love stickers and stuff, because those are going to fill in all of the empty space once I start writing things in. So honestly, that's it. I'm going to put it back into the discs. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.